Looking for ways to secure items to your camper? Well, here's a couple for you. G'day, McDaddy, camper trailering. Just a quick little thing I've noticed on some of the forums that people are saying, how do we secure our gas cylinders, our diesel tanks and whatever. There's quite a few ways. This one, I've got a bit of plastic coated wire that I put a crimp on to form a loop. Then I thread it through all my things that I want to secure. Thread through the gas cylinder back under here, and then I secure that with padlock. And at the back we've also run a wire through the tyres and the frame and pad bolt. And just in case you're wondering, yes, there is a cable that's securing the tailwheel as well. Now if you've got a camper, something like this one here, there's not much that you have to secure extra. So what's happened here, if we've just got some bike chain, decent padlock, and that secures that water can, and the same thing has happened over on the other side. So there's a couple of alternatives for you.